Hello guys, welcome to day 3. So I was solving a question on LeetCode. Then I thought that I should discuss with you also. So the question is the most beautiful item for each query. This is the question on LeetCode. Here's a mark attempted because first I solve with brute force solution. So I'll discuss and then I later solve with optimum solution. Okay. So first of all, let's discuss about the question. There is a 2D array. There in the question there is a given 2D array. Okay, 2D array where first item represent the price and second item represent the beauty of that of what particular area. Because it's a 2D array, then here multiple arrays. So the first item will indicate the price and the second item will indicate the beauty. That's a given in the question. So what and query we have given an extra array. That name is queries. Okay, here the queries array given. Here you can see queries array given, query array or vector, whatever you want to say. So here is queries vector and here is item 2D vector. Okay, we have to return what we have to return. We have to return a vector. Return a vector. Okay, that consists of maximum beauty. Maximum beauty. Beauty store second index. That consists of maximum beauty. But the condition is the price would be less than and equals to this query vector. Here I want to discuss it. Just give me 1 second. So let's take an example. Suppose yeah, this is the example 1 2. Suppose this is example 1 2 2 3 and 3 4 and query array is given, query vector array, whatever you want to say. This is the this is suppose our query array. Okay, so this represent the price and this represent the beauty. So what we can, so what's the condition? We have to find the maximum beauty. Here is the maximum beauty. This is a, so we can directly say that 4 is the maximum beauty. Then we can say that return array where beauty is 4 because beauty maximum is 4. But there is a condition. But there is a condition that the price should be less than. That's a price. This price should be less than and equals to whatever price in the query for this index. So we have to return an array of same size as a query, and that contains maximum beauty. For this index, suppose I am talking about this index. Here is the value 1. So the price should be less than and equals to 1. Suppose here is a 1 index. Suppose there is a modified vector 2D vector. This contains price 1 and 3. Here price is 1 and here price here 2 array that contains one price 1 1. So we have to return this beauty because we have to return maximum beauty. Then we have to return 3 here. For this price should be less than and equals to 2. Price should be less than and equals to 2. For this price 2, for this price 1, for this price 1. But maximum beauty is 3. So we have to return 3. For price 3, for price 3 maximum for price 3 price should be less than or equals to 3. For less than or equals to 3, these are all the valid prices and maximum beauty is 4. So we have to return this vector. So this is the question. Now let's discuss about the code. So first of all, the brute force solution. Brute force is very simple. Brute force is, first of all, I run a loop for queries array 0 to n is the size of query. Then what I do, I run a for loop for items array. Items is 2D vector. Name of items name is of 2D vector. Then I run a loop for items vector. Items, that's a 2D vector. While j less than m, and I found that if price less than and equals to, if price less than and equals to in sorry, I have to erase this. If price of items, if price of items if price of 2D vector, here the 2D vector, if price of this, if price of this, here is the name of the 2D vector is items. So if items of I comma 0 less than queries of I, then I'll store in the maximum, then I store the maximum and I run the loop